Hi guys, today we will be printing this format of pattern. We'll write the code in Python. So the format is goes according to like it goes printing in descending order from 5 to 1, then 4 to 1, then 3 to 1, then 2 to 1. This way it goes. Okay. Similarly, the for characters it print from E to A, then D to A, then C to A, then B to A. So how to print this type of pattern? Let's see the code. So this is the code. First we'll take the input to for the number of rows to be printed. Then we will iterate through I and j through two nested for loops. First for loop will range from n to 1. Second for loop will range from 1 to I. This 0 and this I plus 1 is ignored, so it will range from n to 1 and it will range from 1 to I, these two loops, and will print. This chr is the predefined function in Python to get the ASCII get the character value from the ASCII number. So before printing this, let's try to see what are how the values of I and j are changing. Okay. Suppose for 8 we see, let's see for 8. Oh, sorry. For 8 we see. So you can see I is being fixed as n is 8. So first row I is n, I is equal to 8, and j changes from 1 to n, that is 8, 1 to 8. Then again I becomes 7, or j ranges from 1 to 7. So this is the pattern we get. Okay. And what we need to print? We need to print 5 4 3 2 1. Okay. 5 4 3 2 1. 5 4 3 2 1 means first 8 will be printed, then 7, then 8 7 6. This way we need to print. Okay. For 5 if you take, then 5 2 5 5 1 5 2 5 3. Instead of this we need to print 5 4 3 2 and 1. So what we can do? 4 3 2 4 and the second row 4 3 2 and 1. So what we can do? We can see how I and j are changing. So we can print I minus I plus 1 minus j. If we iterate in this fashion, then you can see 5 4 3 2 1, 4 3 2 1, 3 2 1, 2 1 and 1. We got the pattern. Okay? So we will remove this. We got the pattern. 8. We got the pattern. 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. This way we are getting the whole pattern up to 1. The last row will be 1. So we got the solution. Now we'll check for the characters. Now what the characters are? E, B, C, B, A. Okay. D, C, B, A, C, B, A, and B, A, and then A. So what we can do? We have to print E first. Okay. So here to print E, we need to sum up with 64 and put it in write the function chr. So what chr will do? CHR will convert this ASCII value 64 plus I plus 1 minus j. This will sum up to 64 plus 8 or whatever. Suppose we want to print 5. Okay. So 5 plus 1 minus 1, 69. Or 5, if you print, yeah, 69, then 68, then 67, then 66, then 64. We are getting all the ASCII values. If we remove CHR, we can see we are getting all the ASCII values. If we print for 5, yeah, you can see the ASCII values. We are getting all the ASCII values. Now we put it in CHR again, and we got our solution. This is it. Even if we do it for large numbers like 20, okay, we're still getting the pattern from large to the biggest character to the A continues to follow the pattern. This is how we'll print this one. Thank you guys. If you have any doubt, you can put that in the comment. I'll try to answer that. Thank you.